About the author. Mr. John Oharenko is the author of The Premise for Premises, Thinking Inside the Real Estate Box. Mr. Oharenko is a veteran real estate financier, investor, author, and lecturer. Over his 40-year career, John financed various types of income-producing real estate, including apartments, industrial, retail, office, hospitality, and land ventures. He also personally invests in multifamily and commercial properties. John authored numerous books and articles on real estate investing and finance. He lectures nationally and has been quoted by the Wall Street Journal, Journal of Property Management, Appraisal Journal, Chicago Tribune, and the Los Angeles Times, among other publications. John is a founding member of the Real Estate Capital Institute, an active member of the Urban Land Institute, and other commercial real estate trade groups. John holds a master's degree in real estate appraisal and investment analysis from the University of Wisconsin-Madison, and an undergraduate degree in business from DePaul University. John's professional experiences in the real estate industry as a mortgage banker, trade organization member, and property owner helped formulate ideas on upgrading vocabulary to reflect today's operating environment. Thank you for listening to the sample audiobook. Full version available by purchasing on Amazon.com and other booksellers.